Hi everyone, welcome back to another strange video. Today I decided to animate, but it's really crappy because I can't make anything the same size or the same thing like a mirror, so it's really crappy. And I got really lazy and I got tired and I didn't feel like coloring, and it took me a long time to draw my hair because I'm stupid and didn't think about drawing my hair before. So yeah. I decided to make an animation because I wanted to make an animation series, but then I was like, I don't know, so I made a story thingy here. Today, this story thingy is really weird, and I kind of hate it. I hate it a lot to the point where I have to make this stupid crappiness, and I don't even know how to spell it anymore. I don't know. Okay, let's just go back to the dang story. Okay, so my story begins on Friday. I was at school, it was a good day, normal day, public day, and then I came home. My mom said we were leaving, so we packed up and went on a road trip basically for 4 hours. It was a really boring, because then my phone died and I had nothing to do. And then we started playing I Spy. It was good stuff. Fine, chill, Gucci. I didn't go on YouTube for a little while. I was going to make a video, but they never did, so I'm making one now. And yeah. So we basically went to this Lego Discovery place, and it was really fun. I made a race car, and I called it Gucci Flip Flops, and yeah. It was weird and stupid. Then we went to Mini City or whatever, Miniland, and there was these tiny little Lego people, and you could build and stuff. It was weird. And then we got food after that, or before that we got food and stuff from Starbucks and got Starbucks coffees. Then we made tiny little Lego figures of ourselves, and it was really fun. I gave myself a dog and a guitar and a striped shirt. Everyone should know why I gave myself a striped shirt by the looking of my shirt. Also, we had lots of fun and went to this place called Sea Life. We took a photo, and it was weird, but really pretty. The fish were cute. My brother got scared of this tunnel ocean water thing. It was a tunnel with glass all around it, even the floor, the ceiling, the walls, everywhere. And my brother got terrified. And I told him, let's go. And he got terrified still. It was weird. It was chill. We had a fun time. Then we went back to our hotel. We got Panda Express, and it was really good. We got it from the mall where we went to go see the Lego and Sea Life. And the funny thing was, we went to Sea Life, and then we had to wait until Lego Discovery Place opened, so we went and made tiny ourselves out of Legos, and then we went back and looked around in Lego Discovery Center, and it was fun. We got food, we ate, we had fun, we went home, we chilled for a little, like 30 minutes, and then we left our room and went to the pool. It was really fun. We had a fun time. And then the next day, we ate in the lobby. Like, we ate pancake waffles and drank some juice. I don't like syrup. Most people say they love syrup, but I hate syrup. But the story is not about syrup. It's just about my vacation from my home, where I was away in Dallas. And yes, I forgot to mention, we went all the way to Dallas, which is far away for a tiny little midget for me. The next day, we got dressed, we ate in the lobby, we left the house, the appointment, and then we came back, and we went swimming again. Oh no, we rested and we watched Are We There Yet? It was a good movie, and then my mom fell asleep. My mom and my sister fought, like a battle. They actually attacked each other. It was fun. It was funny. I cheered them on because I'm weird and I love my family. And then we got ready to go to the pool. We went to the pool, and there was many kids. They were mostly females. It was funny because there was only 2 guys in the pool, my brothers. Then we went back to the room and got ready to sleep. So we basically ate the rest of our Panda Express foods and got ready to go to bed, and we fell asleep watching Little Prince. And that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Goodbye.